there are two sentences. Tense is same, sentence structure is same, form of verb is same, but still out of these two sentences, one is correct and one is incorrect. Do you know why? In today's class, we are going to work upon the same. Hello, my name is Vishal Singla and you are watching Vishal Singla's grammar classes. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. About past continuous tense. It is also known as past progressive tense. So first of all, it should be clear in our mind when do we use it. So it's very simple. Always keep in your mind when the work got started in the past and when it got finished in the past, it does not matter. So what matters? When the work was going on. So whenever a particular task or activity was going on in the past, for those kinds of situations, we use it. For example, a person reached in his office, and when he reached over there, whatever was happening in that office, for those activities we use past continuous tense. Like when he entered in his office, one of his colleagues was using mobile phone. His boss was waiting for him. His assistant was checking some files. These kinds of activities were going on in his office when he reached over there. So for such kinds of conditions or situations, we use past continuous tense or past progressive tense. So now we go with the affirmative sentence structure of past continuous tense, and it is subject plus was verb plus V1 plus ing plus object. Means there are two words, was and were, and it should be clear to you when to use was and when to use were. So keep in mind, if the subjects are he, she, it or I, with these subjects we use was, and with the other subjects like you, we, they, with these subjects we use were. Now we go with some examples, but before starting, keep in your mind any continuous tense is not used with stative verbs, as verbs are of two types, action verbs and stative verbs. We use continuous tense just with the action verbs, and with stative verbs we don't use continuous tense. Either it is present continuous tense, past continuous tense or future continuous tense. Examples of stative and action verbs. Stative verbs tell about mental or emotional state like love, hate, own, and action verbs tell about an action. For example, run, read, study. Now we do when we can use past continuous tense. We can use it to talk about an action that was continuing during a period of time. For example, they were swimming all night. So if we talk about past continuous tense in this sentence, it is were swimming and period of time is all night. And if we go with the next example, he was waiting for you whole week. So if we talk about period of time in this sentence, it is whole week. And past continuous tense in this sentence is was waiting. So in such way, we use past continuous tense to tell about an action that was continuing during a period of time. Next, we can use past continuous tense when an action was happening during a particular moment. For example, in this sentence, at 1 a.m. I was dancing. Was dancing shows in this sentence past continuous tense. At 1 a.m. shows a particular moment. And if we go with the next sentence, it is in evening she was studying. So what is the moment in this sentence? It is in evening. And what shows past continuous tense? It is was studying. So in such way we use past continuous tense. Now we go with the another basic way of using past continuous tense. We can use it to talk about an action which was continuing when it was interrupted by another action. And keep in mind, in such kinds of sentences there would be two past tenses. One would be in simple past and second one would be in past continuous. For example, she was watching TV when it rained. So in this sentence, was watching is past continuous tense, it rained is simple past tense. And if we go with the next example, they were driving when we called them. In this sentence, were driving shows past continuous tense, we called shows simple past tense. So it is clear from these examples we can use past continuous tense for an activity which got interrupted by another activity. To clear it, she was watching TV when it rained means her watching TV activity got interrupted by raining. And in second sentence, they were driving when we called means their driving got interrupted by our call. So in such way we use it. After discussing the basic ways of using past continuous tense, now we are going to work on advanced ways. Like we can use past continuous tense about a planned action. For example, someone was planning to do something but due to any other task he or she did not do so. Like continuing when interrupted type, it too has two tenses, past tense and past continuous. If we go with the explanation of given sentences, first one is she was planning to leave early. It is a planned action. And second part of this sentence is but her boss did not allow her. It is the simple past tense. And in next sentence, planned action is they were planning to watch movie but they did not get leave from office. It is simple past. So in such way we use past continuous tense to tell about a planned action. We could also use past continuous tense sometimes for a polite request with a particular expression that we use in English to make a polite request. For example, a sentence like could you help me can be used for a request, but to make it polite we can use the expression like was wondering. So the complete sentence is I was wondering if you could help me. In such way we could use past continuous tense sometimes to make polite request. In second sentence, she was thinking if you could lend her money. Was thinking in this sentence is used as expression. So in such way we use it. Now we go with these some sentences by using stative verbs like I was knowing his habits. They were hating your work. We were owning that car. She was wanting to hire you. These sentences are made in past continuous tense, but still these sentences are incorrect because in continuous tense we don't use stative verbs, as in continuous tense just action verbs are used. Now the question is, what could be used in this case? So the answer is simple past tense. So, if the sentence I was knowing his habits, if it is incorrect, then instead of using past continuous tense, we can use simple past tense like I knew his habits. And instead of they were hating your work, we can use they hated your work. And if we go with we were owning that car, instead of that we would use we owned that car. And the last one is she was wanting to hire you, instead of that we can use she wanted to hire you. So in such way stative verbs we can use in simple past tense, but in past continuous tense we never use it. Now if we talk about stative verb having, in some sentences like she was having a new phone, they were having new house, he was having costly things. In such situations we don't use it. But in other situations like she was having rest, they were having party, he was having a good time. In such cases, we can use stative verb in past continuous tense. Now we go with the difference between simple past tense and past continuous tense. To speak about past in English, we use past tense. And in past tense, there are two basic tenses, simple past tense and past continuous tense. Now, first we go with some examples. In simple past tense, sentences are like I traveled to Delhi. He used computer. She took tea. It worked. We wrote a letter. You listened that song. And they ate non-veg. These are some of the examples of simple past. Now, examples of past continuous tense are like I was traveling to Delhi. He was using computer. She was taking tea. It was working. We were writing a letter. You were listening that song. And they were eating non-veg. Here same sentences of simple past are made in past continuous for your better understanding. Now if we talk about major difference between these two tenses, that is, in simple past we talk about an incident that happened at a particular point in time in the past, and in past continuous we talk about something that continued during a period in the past. Means in simple past we talk about an action, and in past continuous about the action that continued. Means we elaborate the action. To make it clearer, we can say she cooked meal at 2 p.m. Means point of time in past is 2 p.m. And in next sentence, she was cooking meal from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Means period of time in past is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So that is the difference between simple past and past continuous. Here we go with the positive, negative, interrogative, sentence structure and examples. So in such way we use past continuous or past progressive tense. You just have to practice it. Have a nice day to all of you. Thank you.